Hi everyone, I'm taking part in Northamptonshire Open Studios this year. It's running for September and I've opened my little art space this weekend, the 3rd and 4th of September, and I'm opening again next weekend, the 10th and the 11th of September. For those who can't necessarily make it in person, I thought I'd do a little tour. As we come in through the door, you can see the table that I do my creating on. I've got a box here which says saved from the recycling. Some of my work is done with jelly plate printing, and I use these recycled materials, cardboard packaging, the top from a spice jar, some material, all sorts of bubble wrap type things. Anything, I save it from the recycling because they all make fantastic prints. On my table you can see I've got some of my sketchbooks open for people to have a browse through. This is my gel printing sketchbook with lots of textures. Another sketchbook which I've been working in a bit more recently with some of the work that I've been doing on still life. We move further back, you can see on this wall I have my largest painting, which is 1 metre by 0.5 metre, and my inspiration board. On my shelves I've got some of my Christmas cards. I know, Christmas, but these are sold, all the profits from sales of my cards go to the Down Syndrome group Northamptonshire. I've got a piece up there on an easel, it's called Pink Glow. And then round here I've got a piece that I painted quite some time ago. This is an inspiration piece that I've used in creating these two mixed media works of the Sage building in Gateshead. Next to those I've got my water glass series, which I absolutely love. This started out life as a single piece of paper. I drew the glass on the top of some geometric pattern texture through stencils and cut it up, worked on them all individually and then mounted them onto wooden panels. On our big cupboards I've got some information about the water glass series and me. Newsletter sign up, and over here I've got my works in progress on the top couple of shelves, and then some more work for sale. These two little mini ones were done completely on the gel printing plate with many layers, overprinting until I got the effects that I want. They're also mounted on small cradled panels. Got some slightly bigger paintings here, sun cream, 2 cups in a storm, and some more water glass paintings also on wood panels. And finally I've got some mini paintings and some prints. Some of them are framed and some of them are just in mounts. Another one over here. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this little tour around my art space. Bye.